See, look at just this little piece right here. I can do so many hands. It's only that shape. Once you know this, I'm telling you, that's the riddle of the cloud. It's the same thing on the moon, on every single moon and planet. It's exactly the same. It's on nebula, galaxy, you name it. Let me take the writing off, the outlines, and you see. Look. This hand and this one is touching right here, look. With a extended finger. There's the other one, and it's bent here. I mean, it goes in the soft line. Then you see right here, you see the fingernail from a big ass hand that comes from the bottom up. It goes like that. And you can see I mean, you can look at every other explanation, you're not gonna find it. And you see this is making an enormous finger, a thumb. And it keeps repeating. You see how it's bending? Those are the knuckles of another smaller hand like that. You can see all of those round deals. That. And this hand, look, it's so kick-ass that it's both ways. This way, you can see the same hand right here. Look, the fingernail of the index, I mean the middle finger, there's the ring finger, and it's holding something here. So using my own hand, look, this is like this. And this one is like this. See, and it's touching that one. Then you see it here like this. You can see the thumb right here like this. It keeps repeating here, but it goes that way too, like that. And it's right here in the corners, right here like that. I mean, so many of them, that is crazy, man, but it's just perfect. One blends with the other and it goes both ways. Look, you can see the fingertips on the knuckles. And it keeps in a smaller size here. There's a one perfectly showing right up here. Some small hand like that, going down. And that's just one frame. Look, like that. You can see the thumb. But I mean, in the soft line, the hard lines, it's all blend the same way. It's incredible. It's incredible. Once you know that the shape, then you will look into moon images, the surface is all plastered with the same thing. And that's what I say, how in the world all these deals are rotating when all these things are attached to that geometry in crystalline looking deals. That is the same shade and it repeats the same way you see it here. It repeats in space, it's in the sky, in translucent. I mean, golly, you have to be really retarded not to start thinking how amazing this, because only a God-like consciousness could create something like that. Look at this thumb right here. Check it out. It's the same as this one right here, but in a small size, right there. It's just the soft line are blend perfect with the others, and it's difficult to discern them. But it's all the same thing. Look, this is a big thumb. It's like you're looking at your own thumb. Look, it's like that. And this goes and makes another hand, huge hand right there. Goes like that. And you keep repeating in the soft line. I mean, it's incredible, man. And you can see another square there here from another finger that, oops, they keep repeating like that. Repeat, and each one of them is grabbed by another one. I mean, my drawing is shitty. I should not try to outline the deal because it's just impossible. You cannot create outline something that is three-dimensional. Becomes so complex, and that's just a frame. Think about that. And you see right here the exact same thing, but in so many ways. It's difficult. You see all this deal, those are fingernails, and you find that on the moon too. Look. You find this deal right here, that one finger has two fingernails, like that. But it's because this is one finger and that's another one from another direction. It goes like that. This one goes this way and that one goes that way. That's why it is done like that. And then you can see that it repeats here and bends, but then it repeats here again like that. See, it's always grabbing something. It's all the same thing. It's always in the same deal. The camera doesn't do justice. This one that I have right now, the color is, if it's too blue, it overpowers this sensor. But even in the blue deal, you can see the exact same thing. You repeat, you can see the squares right here. You can see the same thing. Look, there's another square here like that. Another square is that rectangular like a fingernail, because that's what it is. See, you can see it here, all this blue part with a grayish. It's the same shape. I mean, it doesn't change. And look, this is a hand like this. Look, in the grayish part right here. This is a hand like this. You can see the thumb, and then you see the index, the middle, the ring, and the pinky, but it keeps repeating all the way up. It's like a fractal. And in behind, and then it goes this way too. I mean, it's kick-ass, man. It's just, once you finally spot how the deal is made, it blows your mind, man. It just blows your mind. This shit is from the windshield. Crap that fell on the windshield when I was driving. But this bluish, you can see the bright part. I mean, the effects are so incredible. Because behind this cloud there's another one that is brighter. But that creates that effect. That's what's so badass. That it's three-dimensional. How in the world can somebody make something like that? Right here, you can see the roundishness. There's a deal. It's a hand like that. You can see the soft line. I mean, it's incredible, man. I wish I had a better camera. Maybe when I get some money, who knows when, a better monitor and a better camera. But this deal is that's the riddle of everything, really. It's from here to the galaxy, same exact thing. Doesn't change a bit. It continue. It's translucent. Cameras can see it. We cannot. The only thing we can see here on cloud. So to me, this has got to be a message. Hey, I am present all the time, and you don't see it. And look at this enormous finger right here. This and that's an enormous hand. With the knuckle and everything showing perfect. Like you're looking at your own hand, but it's made with a cloud. Well, that's what kick-ass is. Look at the knuckle, look at I mean, if you put your hand on it, and you see, wow, man, I can't believe it. It makes a thumb, exactly like a human thumb, a hand. And right here, look, you keep seeing more and more. It's the same thing, but more and more because it's so. Right here is a needle hand like that. It's another hand going up like that, like this. And then this is an enormous thumb. Look at the fingernail. Brighter, man. It's all purposely made like that. Then you see here the same thing. I don't understand how people, when you show this shit, they say, oh, that's an elephant. Oh my God, man. It's your freaking mind, your head, the dog thing, you know, the process of elimination there. And really reasoning, when you start really seeing what the shape it is wow.